In this video, I will show you how to add address details on a PayPal invoice. So you can add your own address details and those of the client or the customer. So to do this, what you want to do is just click first if you want to add your own on more actions, then edit business info, then here under address, you can click on the drop down and it will then show your address. You can then click on the address and it will then be shown. Then just click save and then your address will be displayed. Now to display your customer's address, what you want to do is first add the customer. So for example, I'll add this one, then click on edit, then here click customer details. Then in the top right, you want to go to address, and then here you can add their billing address, and then once you click save, that will also be added onto the invoice. So that's how to add an address to a PayPal invoice. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.